new week, and we are going to look at what is going to transpire in the week and what and more and more. So guys, moving forward, we are as a trader moving forward in a brand new week. What do you have to do? You have to first of all visit your forexfactory.com and know what the fundamentals are for the week before you know what to do or what you are aiming at doing. It's very, very important. Most traders don't do that and they end up getting kicked out by some major fundamental news that happens in the week. But so we are what professionals, and we are ready to trade with what alert and what know what we are about. Knowing what you're about in the market is a very key factor. You understand? Though we are technical traders, but you have to do what sometimes know what the fundamentals are telling you, then you know where to head or where the direction is heading to. Guys, it's very, very, very important. This is deep and very solid. So let's first of all move to what forexfactory.com to visit and see the fundamentals, pending fundamentals coming this week. So guys, let's move to forexfactory.com and let's see what is happening this week. And so we are here at forexfactory.com on Monday 12. That's Monday 12, 6 a.m. We have GBP news, and that will be around 6 a.m. That's 6 a.m. And Tuesday, that means Monday, we don't have so much higher impact news that week. Looking at Tuesday 13, wherever you are in the world, USD, we have a news, high impact news on USD, and that will be CPI meeting minutes and core CPI meeting minutes. We don't know how this will move, but it won't be so much, I guess. Wednesday 14th, 6 a.m. GBP, we have a news on that, and then 12:30 p.m. another news on that, and 10:45 p.m. that's what news on that. And so you have to what be very alert on these factors and these news which are pending to come or to be released. And so let's look at Thursday. We have odd unemployment change and employment change. And so this one could move greatly in the market. Okay, so you have to be very, very wary of this. And so we have same Thursday, we have USD core retail sales and Empire State Manufacturing Index, and so on and so forth. And so let's look at the Great Giant, which is Friday. People know that the markets will be ending on Friday for some currency traders. And so Friday we have Premium UOBM consumer statement. And so that one will also be released, and we're thinking of it moving what massively. Okay. So guys, without wasting much time, should we head directly to the what? Now we know what is coming out for this week. And so this week is kind of less than like let me say 50-50 week, because it might happen that what's the name? It might happen that the fundamentals can take over. But though I'm not seeing this as a lot of fundamental coming this week, but we have to just be very, very, very careful on trading. Okay, so looking at the week, I'll just say 50-50. It's 50-50 technical, 50 fundamental. So guys, let's move to the chart and see some potential trades which will be happening this week, and let's see how it goes through very solid and clear. And so this week, looking at the time frame and other stuff, last week we had a drop which came in. A drop came in on Euro USD, Euro odd. There was a drop and it was very, very beautiful and clear. And so this week too, we are expecting another pullback to the top. Then we see how it will go for us this week. And so looking at the lower time frames, we are seeing some push coming in, but then this neck of this region is what is trying to push the market back down. And so the key stuff for this week is we know the direction already. Once you know the direction of this pair, then that means you have to be playing what along. You have to be playing along. Okay, guys, you have to play along. And so we are still biased on a sell on this, but then we could get a little bit of pullback, and some corrections will be made before the market will continue its right direction to wherever it is heading to. And so guys, that's for Euro odd. So Euro odd, we are anticipating a little bit of push up. Then what? We look for a sell opportunity, guys. We look for a sell opportunity. And so I'm still on what? I'm still biased on Euro USD. Sorry, odd USD, odd USD. And so I'm still shocked about odd USD. Okay. So odd USD is doing something beautiful this week. And looking at main charts, let me just bring out this chart to see how to relate to this chart and so on and so forth. And so I wouldn't like to share that much, but then my people will be like, wow, I'm sharing too much vital information, which is not good. Okay, because people have purchased on a higher cost and they are not making any impact. Okay, so guys, that's it. So this week we are buyers on odd sell, and so when market is hitting here, we have to be very very careful that markets could just change a phase literally. And I tell you that okay. So guys, let's move ahead. Let's move ahead. And so we are looking for a slow, and if the slow come, we are expecting the direction to be on a sell direction. That's for euro odd. So guys, take note of that. Take note of that. And so we move straight towards we move straight to mm, mm, okay. So all the USD our bias is what a sell. Our bias is a sell. So when a lot of fundamental, I don't think that's because kind of yes a few bits of fundamental, but it still worked out for these stuff. And so all the USD bias is still a sell, so we'll be looking for sell opportunities when the market pull up a little bit higher. Then look for sales opportunity, guys. NZDJPY was a buy, and currently it's still buying. You can see it's buying. I don't know where it's buying to, but it's just buying and continuously buying. And so the sales have not stepped in. They're just buying. So we'll be looking for a buy of NZDG. And so when you see a drip, a little bit of drop, you should know that you are rich. Okay. So we'll just be looking for what? Only buys on these setups. And so I think I've spoken about this. I've been speaking about that. Let's check the market again and analyze what the trade said. What the trade said to us, and we'll see what happened. And so we are on we are in road and we are on UP odd and USD card, USD card, USD card. That's a wicked and a very simple trade pair. You can also boost of. Okay, so guys, this kind of trade is about a solid move. It's a solid move, and you have to not greedy, never be greedy. Just quickly, yeah, just cut here, and let's see how it goes. So on USD card, what I will say is my bias is still a buy. My bias is still a buy. You understand? Yeah, yeah, pretty much. Um, wow. So people can see what's happening in this chart, but my direction for this week is a buy on USD card. I deal with the big players, the big players who you should understand the kind of movement and the kind of pain which he might have what. And so guys, let's be very optimistic that this week is going to be what a little bit of drawdown, but the pullback will hit on USD card, guys. And so in that order, same applies here. And my bias for this is a sell. So once the market pushes up a little bit, you should not worry. You should not worry. So guys, fundamental will help a lot to know when the news is about to come out, or at least 1 hour to the news. Don't trade 1 hour after the news. You can trade, guys. This is a special edition, and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so, and also be wicked. Okay, so guys, um let's end our session here. Watch out for the next video in session, and you really change your story to what a profitable forex trader.